Do you think listing your property as for sale by owner will actually help you sell it and save on agent fees? Let's find out. And I don't mean putting up a for sale by owner sign and hoping the perfect buyer happens to drive by. I mean listing your property as for sale by owner on Zillow, the leading US real estate marketplace. I knew exactly why I was doing it, which I'll share at the end of the video, but I wanted to see what else would happen. So here are the phone calls you will get listing your property as for sale by owner on Zillow.
Have I read the listing description?
Yes.
I have not. Your number comes through my phone, so I done sold plenty of $1 million homes. All homes are really just the same. They're just a piece of property. Like I said, I specialize in getting them sold. I'm one of the top agents.
And what I'm saying, you didn't even take a minute to read the listing description.
Okay, I can read the...
And I want to mention that I put in listing description that real estate agents are welcome to take over my listing, obviously for offered by me commission, so I don't get ripped off. If you really feel you can sell it for higher price, for example, then absolutely.
Yeah, absolutely, and that's why I would not want to, you're a smart man, I wouldn't want to sit here and babble off something off the top of my head. I'd want to take time and do some research. I'll come and I'll share that with you, and you'll take a look at it. If everything makes sense, commission makes sense, all of that is good, then hire me to get the job done. Pencil in with you tomorrow at this property at 11 a.m.
I'm sitting here right next to my beautiful newly built fountain, and the agent just didn't show up. Just got a text message from this agent saying that she won't be able to help me to sell it for higher price when actually she was trying to help herself. Ma'am, I don't understand what you...
Love to list it for you at 4%.
4%? What I'm supposed to pay you so much money for?
No. I read it. I read it. That's what you're willing to offer. If you got a full price offer from a buyer's agent, as is full price, but the buyer's agent wants 3% commission.
I see you got it running as an Airbnb. I see you bought it a couple years ago. Gave it a nice little facelift. So you have a little bit of rental history built up?
Yeah.
Okay. Do you have any P&Ls or anything like that you'd be able to send over?
Right off the bat, what the down payment you would go for this?
We get into all of our deals at 10% down.
That would be too little for me.
At the end of the day, because we do a lot of deals with zero interest. So, at the end of the day, interest is just all bonus, right?
What?
Sounds like I'm not going to be the right buyer for this one.
Well, I'm not going to be the right seller for you. Where did you get my number from again?
From Alex. She used to be my neighbor. Now, if you don't use an agent, what commission are you paying? So if I brought a buyer to you, what commission are you paying?
Well, you're going to get a total.
I'll see what I can do. I'll see if I can bring you a buyer.
And here, based on simple calculation, based on simple math, you're getting even more. Out of $925,000, the selling price, you're getting...
You seem like a numbers guy.
And you're in real estate?
It would probably sell.
The problem is, look, everything what you're saying, it would, shoulda, woulda, coulda. So with the peace of mind, I'm canceling my listing. I had exact purpose why I listed my property as for sale by owner. To have agents call me so I can choose the one that I like and negotiate the commission I'm comfortable with. By having agents call you, you have more leverage in negotiation process than when you call and look for agent yourself. It wasn't my first time listing the property as for sale by owner on Zillow, and let me just be honest with you, you have very little chance to sell even for fair market price unless there is some crazy housing boom going on, because you don't have exposure to MLS, and that's where majority of the agents are fishing for properties for buyers. And Zillow is typically monitored only by sharks like me who are looking for a good deal. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please like it and subscribe to my channel so you don't miss any upcoming real estate content.